everybody, we are here in Central Market. So there's so many fish like tilapia and bangos. And of course, we buy tahong. First tahong 60 pesos isang kalating kilo. Of course, I buy first tahong. So let's do this. I immediately slice the onion, of course the fish tahong, and we cook some fire. Put the sibuyas and then kamates, mix it, and then it's golden brown. So kamates, and after a few minutes, wow, finish cook. Finish, but let's test if the test is the bread. Yeah. Oh, nice. You put some salt. Yes, salt is enough for the whole. Now the dish is full. That is our food.